What's up, everybody? Welcome to Cooking with CJ. Today we're out in the back, so welcome to my backyard, and we're gonna be making some tequila lime shrimp tacos on our Pit Boss Ultimate Griddle. You're gonna wanna stick around for this one. Listen, I know I say that every week, but it's true every week, right? Aren't you glad when you stick around for the whole time? All right, editor, roll the clips. All right, guys, what we've already done for this, we fired up our Pit Boss, so it's getting nice and heated up right now. And we marinated our shrimp for about a half hour before I started this, okay? Marinade is really simple. We got some tequila, and I got the Rocks tequila, because you know if it's a celebrity, the tequila tastes so much better, right? Whatever. Anyway, I hate tequila, so we'll talk about that later. So we got a juice of a lime, a tablespoon of garlic, some cilantro, a little cumin, a little salt and pepper. Really simple marinade. Stuck it in the fridge for a half hour. Now we're out here. So let's go ahead and get on that grill. I have it on kind of low temp, medium, right in that area. These shrimps are gonna cook up real quick. So we're gonna start doing everything, the tortillas, the shrimps, everything real quick, and then we'll build up these tacos, all right? This could be a quick, easy video, perfect in time for Taco Tuesday. Let's roll. All right, team, so we got our marinated shrimp right here. We're gonna go ahead and pull it out and get it on the griddle, get it fired up. We got little medium shrimps in there. These are gonna take no time at all to cook. So we're gonna get these fired up, get some color on them, obviously cook them through, and then we'll just kind of put them over the side, let them rest while we build the rest of the tacos, okay? Gonna throw a little olive oil on top just for flavor, you don't need it. And then we're gonna throw some olive oil over here for the tortillas. Now, as always, the ingredients list will be down below on a link to my website. I'm only making 3 tacos for this, but the ingredients list on the website will be for a lot more tacos. So we're working on the shrimps and all that over here. I want to talk about why I don't like tequila. Guys, when I was 16, I'm glad my mom's no longer with us to hear this story. I was with my older brother, and I may have indulged in some Cuervo Gold tequila, quite a bit of it. Not proud of it. It hurt. I don't want to say I gave myself alcohol poisoning, but it's possible that I gave myself alcohol poisoning. So I do not mess with tequila. Just keep that in mind. So I messed with it for this recipe for you. I hope you're happy. All right, the shrimps are all done. I'm gonna turn off the fire underneath them, put them over to the side over here, where it's still nice and hot. Gonna give these tortillas a flip, and they're heating up underneath. We got a little fire underneath them. I got some Oaxacan cheese right here that we're gonna liberally put over these, and the heat's gonna melt the cheese on the tortilla. So we start building them. Be nice and tasty. We'll have some little crispy bits of cheese on the outside probably. Shrimp's chilling. Our corn tortillas and Oaxacan cheese is chilling. Next up, we'll build these tacos. Okay, the tortillas are looking good. The queso Oaxaca is all melty and beautiful. Let's get some shrimps on. And don't be stingy on them shrimps, all right? No one wants a taco with not enough shrimps. All right, we're gonna get these off the griddle, and then we'll start building the shrimps with all our accoutrements. All right, our beautiful tacos are off the griddle. These are looking good as they are. I'll take some cheese and just some shrimps, but we're gonna dress these up. Put a little cabbage on there. Already shredded up by myself. Gotta have a little cabbage with your shrimp tacos. Some people like crema in their shrimp tacos. I usually think those are more kind of reserved for when you're got some fried shrimp and like fried fish tacos, but you know, you do you. And then I got some homemade by the grocery store mango pico de gallo, some beautiful colors in there, so go ahead and throw those in. This is a bright, summery, beautiful taco. Those fresh veggies in there. Tequila lime. It's gorgeous, guys, gorgeous. That is a big piece of mango right there. We'll leave that one out. Got some mango pico in there with some cabbage. That's looking too good. All right, we've built our tacos. Let's take a bite. All right, team, what did I tell you? Easy as can be. Listen, if you don't have a griddle, just use a pan indoors, all right? But here's our taco. So fresh, so delicious. It's perfect for a day like today. Not a freaking cloud in the sky. That pool's looking mighty inviting. I'm gonna go grab me a beer, finish up these tacos, and just live a dream. Get in that pool, you know what I'm doing, all right? Happy Taco Tuesday to you guys. Listen, if you guys want to get one of these Pit Bosses or knives, cutting boards, merch, anything I use in my videos, links are all down below. If you want the written recipe for the marinade and how to prepare these tacos, links down below to the website. Make sure you check it out. And guys, we are so close to getting to that 100,000 subscriber milestone. We're on the road to 100K. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. It would mean the world to me. My goal is to get that 100,000 by the end of the year. I think we can do it. Let's make it happen, all right? If you wanna become a show producer like all these awesome people right here, these taco loving people, The Rock, tequila loving people, make sure you hit that join button right next to that subscribe button. But that's it for this week, guys. Listen, I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful week. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for cooking with CJ. Take care.